Hello students, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about second lesson of first flight book Nelson Mandela A Long Walk to Freedom. Students, as you know, this is an autobiography of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was a great political leader of South Africa and he fought against white government. There were two political systems in South Africa that time. First was apartheid and second was ANC, African National Congress. Okay, Nelson Mandela was the political leader of the system of the political party African National Congress. He struggled so many years against apartheid system, against racial government. In this autobiography, he describes about his restless struggle for democracy, lifetime fighting against apartheid system. He describes about the historical occasion in which he was sworn as a first black president of South Africa. After a long journey, after restless struggle, the day came when he became the first black president of South Africa. In this chapter, in this autobiography, he describes the historical event, not only the past. He describes about the present when he became the first president, black president of South Africa. What was his planning? What he was going to do in future for the betterment of the people, for the countrymen. In this story, in this autobiography, he gave a message. What message? Equality among the people, equality among the mankind. We should love human beings. Don't discriminate the people on the basis of their skin color, on the basis of the caste, religion. No. He describes the importance of the country, importance of the people. No country without people. The great people build a great country. We should love each other. We should love together, happily, with love. He describes all the events, the situation that he faced. Nelson Mandela, not Nelson Mandela, the people, the freedom fighters, continuous. They had been fighting against the apartheid system. He describes all the things in this autobiography. Okay? Restless service, restless fighting against apartheid system. Okay? And how he came here till the day and what was the planning, what he was going to do next. He describes all the things, the schemes for the betterment of the people, of the country. So we can say that this is an informative story, informative autobiography, historical background, in which if you are going to study, if you are going to read this chapter, then you will be able to collect so many information, historical events, occasions. Okay, so next, as you know, he describes about the restless fighting or struggle for the democracy. What do you mean by democracy? To the people, by the people, for the people. It means for the betterment of the people, for the betterment of the country. Okay? In this chapter, in this story, in this autobiography, Nelson Mandela give a message that don't discriminate the people on the basis of their colors, skin colors. We are human beings. Just like our country, when British government was the ruler of the country, the people of countrymen, the people of the India, the country, they always said, our ruler do not believe that we are men. It means that time Indian also ruled just like a animal, not like a human being. Okay? Next, as you know, in this chapter he describes about the struggle and historical events. How many people, how many political leaders from different countries, they came there and they participated in that inauguration ceremony where it took place, large gatherings about the past struggle, about the freedom fighters, about the freedom fighters. Just like our country, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jhansi ki Rani. Okay, so just like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, he also describes about the freedom fighter of South Africa in this chapter. Okay, and also African army. He also describes about African army, their contribution. Okay, so this is very informative chapter, and we can say that in this chapter he taught the people how to love. He said that if we can teach the people how to hate, then also we can teach the people how to love to mankind. Thank you.